What is price action trading analysis? Hello, dear listeners. I am Nazmi. Today, I will discuss an important topic that can help you become more successful in the markets: price action trading analysis. By learning price action analysis, you can better understand how markets work and develop successful trading strategies. If you're ready, let's begin. On our channel, we will continue to share content that will provide you with all the knowledge and habits necessary to make sustainable income. Achieving success with the right information and strategy is in your hands. Stay with us on this journey by subscribing to our channel. What is price action analysis? Price action analysis is the examination of how a market's prices move over time. This type of analysis is conducted by observing the movements of prices without using any additional indicators. To put it simply, imagine a slide in a playground. As children slide down from the top, we can observe their movements and speeds on the slide. Similarly, price action analysis involves observing the movements and changes in market prices to make trading decisions. Applying price action analysis to the Forex market. Price action analysis can be used in any financial market, but it is particularly popular in the Forex market. Forex is a market where different countries' currencies are traded. This market moves very quickly due to the large amounts of money being traded, making it ideal for price action analysis. To apply price action analysis in the Forex market, we remove all indicators from the charts and obtain a clean price chart that only shows price bars. These bars depict the movements of prices over time. For example, we can examine how the euro to US dollar, euro/dollar pair moves. Features of the Forex market. Liquidity. The Forex market is one of the most liquid markets in the world. This means large amounts of money can be traded quickly. Volatility. The Forex market typically has high volatility, meaning prices can make rapid and significant movements. Leverage. Leverage is commonly used in Forex trading, allowing traders to take large positions with a small investment. Time zones. The Forex market is open 24 hours a day due to different trading sessions around the world. This means traders can trade at any time of the day. What is a price action trading signal? Price action analysis helps us identify trading opportunities from raw price charts. After years of trading, I have identified certain price action signals. These signals help us predict what the market might do in the near future. Common price action patterns. Pin bar, a candlestick with a long wick and a small body. It usually signals a trend reversal. Inside bar, a candlestick that is completely within the range of the previous candlestick. It often indicates consolidation followed by a breakout. Outside bar, a candlestick that completely engulfs the previous candlestick. It usually signals a strong movement. To understand these patterns, imagine watching a soccer game. By observing the players' movements, you can predict which team is more aggressive and has a higher chance of scoring. Similarly, price action analysis involves observing the market's movements to predict what it might do next. Using price action analysis to determine a market's trend. Although many indicators are used to understand the direction of the market, the most reliable method is to analyze the market's price movements on daily charts. To determine a downtrend, we check if prices are making lower highs and lower lows. To determine an uptrend, we check if prices are making higher highs and higher lows. This is like going up or down a staircase. Let's explain with an example. Imagine you are standing by a river and watching the flow of water. If the water is flowing upwards, an uptrend, you can predict that the water will reach a higher point downstream. If the water is flowing downwards, a downtrend, you can predict that the water will reach a lower point downstream. Where and when should you trade a price action signal? To find the best places to trade price action signals, we use a method called a confluence. This means combining obvious price action signals with significant levels in the market. Significant levels can be support and resistance levels. Support levels are where the price has difficulty falling. Resistance levels are where the price has difficulty rising. This is like a ball bouncing off the ground or hitting the ceiling and falling back. For example, when you throw a ball to the ground, it bounces back up. This represents a support level. When you throw the same ball to the ceiling, it bounces back down. This represents a resistance level. In price action analysis, we find these support and resistance levels and trade at these levels. Advantages and disadvantages of price action analysis. Price action analysis offers many advantages but also has some disadvantages. Advantages. Simplicity. Price action analysis is done by looking at price charts without using complex indicators. This makes it easy to learn and apply. Flexibility. It can be used in any financial market. It is suitable for different markets such as Forex, stocks, and commodities. Quick response. It can quickly respond to market changes and create trading strategies accordingly. Historical data. Price action analysis allows for the prediction of future movements by examining past price movements. Visual confirmation. The chart patterns and candlestick formations used in price action analysis are easily recognizable and interpretable visually. Disadvantages. Subjective interpretations. Price action analysis relies on personal interpretations, which can lead to errors. Every trader may interpret the same chart differently. Market noise. Short-term price movements can sometimes be misleading and give false signals. This can lead to losses. Requires discipline. To be successful, it is necessary to constantly monitor the market and trade with discipline. This can be time-consuming. Emotional impact. Traders' emotional reactions can lead to wrong decisions in price action analysis. Panic or overconfidence can negatively affect trading strategies. Conclusion. This lesson provided a basic overview of price action analysis and how to use it in the markets. Continue to learn more about Forex and price action trading. If you have any questions about trading, feel free to write in the comment section. Dear listeners, with the knowledge you have gained here, you can better understand the markets and improve your trading strategies. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. We will be here every week with new and engaging content. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of this information. On our channel, we will continue to share content that will provide you with all the knowledge and habits necessary to make sustainable income. Achieving success